Live, this is Good Morning Texas.
If you look up the word disorganization in the dictionary, the definition reads lack of proper planning and control, but what it doesn't say is how much time and money being disorganized can cost you. Since getting organized is one of the most common resolutions in the new year, Tonia Tomlin of Sort It Out is here to break down the biggest time and money wasters. Good morning, Tonia.
Good morning.
Okay, let's get straight into this. You say the average person wastes about 3 to 4 hours a week looking for things, which is absolutely astonishing. What are the biggest time wasters from disorganization?
Yes, the biggest time wasters, and we're all guilty of this, okay? It is right here, our phones.
Oh, yeah.
This is the biggest time waster because we're constantly checking things and there's notifications that are popping up. So we have to remove those apps that we don't use anymore so we don't get all of those pop-ups and all the text messages and schedule time that we can just put our phones on Do Not Disturb.
Yeah, absolutely. You're not wrong because I have tons of apps that are on my phone that, like you say, they just pop up and I'm like, I haven't used this in months, you know what I mean? So that's a really good idea. Let's talk about actual money being the price you pay for disorganization. Yes. Missed bills, late payments, that is something that is a little scary. So let's talk about that.
Yes, it's very scary. It pays to be organized financially.
Yes.
Okay, so if you have, bills and, mail all over the counter or the island in your kitchen, we have to assign it a home.
Yes.
And put it in a nice bin, schedule some time once a week, and then put it in a folder. Once you pay the bills, then file them away.
Ooh, okay, this is
Yes.
giving very much adult. I need to take in some of these tips. How can misplacing items or not knowing what you have in the pantry cost you, especially during the holidays?
Yes, first you want to be organized in your pantry, and then you can take inventory before you go to the store. How many times do you go to the store and think, ooh, I'm not really sure if I have that, or and then you end up buying multiple items
and then you don't even need it.
Yes, and then they go expired, or a lot of people, they just say, you know what, I'm just going to go out to eat, and then end up spending more money and then wasting time waiting in lines and thinking, well, I should have just ate at home.
Yeah, oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm guilty of that, let me just say. But time management, I've been taught this since I was a kid, is the most important thing in your life, but it's a big issue for a lot of people. So let's talk about what is your suggestion for people to get on top of their time management?
Yes, this is probably one of the biggest requests that I get from clients from day to day, especially my ADD clients, because they don't have any sense of time whatsoever. Yeah. So I really like people to track their time first, see where you're spending your time, and where can we cut out or change where you're spending your time, and evaluate then what kind of organized person you are. So if you're a phone person and you can schedule things in your phone or appointments, things like that, that's great if you're electronic, or to-do apps, things like that. Or if you're a paper person.
I'm a paper person.
Okay, so
a planner is the way to go.
So you have already identified what kind of organized person you are.
Yeah.
So then you need a paper planner. So I would suggest a full focus planner or something of that sort, so you can tactile write things down, your to-do list, your goals, and all the things that you want to do.
And the best part about having a planner is the part where you get everything done and you actually can use your highlighter and like cross it off. That is so satisfying.
Yes.
Okay, so since it's the holiday season, the most common gift is probably a gift card. If you don't know what to get someone, you get them a gift card. And so how can this cost you? Because we were kind of talking about how they get lost in the wind.
Yes, so if you get a gift card for Christmas or birthdays, you need to assign your gift cards a home. So a zipper pouch or something like that. Maybe you stick it in your purse before you go to the store, or if you're shopping online, it's in the same place in your desk. So when you are shopping online, oh, I need to go get that gift card out, because I can tell you how many times we found gift cards all over the house.
And it's just wasted money.
It is. And a lot of people, they go expired. And so they have all this, maybe it's like a few dollars left over from a gift card, and all of that really adds up. So I tell people, put it in a pouch and put it in your desk, and then or stick it in your purse before you go shopping.
Yeah, okay, so if you're disorganized at home and you're thinking, okay, in 2024, I'm gonna get it right, Tonia, you have a special offer for them, right?
Yes, I want you guys to send us your messy desk. Okay, so email us your messy desk, and we're going to give away these full focus planners here. So it's a great way to start the new year organized. And I would love to see some challenging opportunities.
She's like, give her a challenge, y'all. All my disorganized people, give Tonia a challenge. Thank you so much for being here this morning.
Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, I'm going to use her tips.